TARION Video Production Camera Cart Review. 440-pound capacity, tool-free folding, pro results.
You're on set, rushing to move your camera, lights, and monitors from the truck to location. You make the first trip, then the second, then the third, and your back is screaming and you're already behind schedule. Last month, a colleague's cheap utility cart collapsed mid-transport, sending $15,000 of camera gear crashing onto concrete. That sinking, helpless panic. Sound painfully familiar? Every wasted trip costs you mounting pressure, rising exhaustion, missed setups, and the quiet dread that your flimsy cart won't survive the day. The tension builds viscerally. A gaffer I know spent an entire morning making 8 trips because his small-wheeled cart kept getting stuck on cables and door thresholds. Partial mobility means partial productivity. But there's a smarter, faster, stronger way to move your entire production in one confident roll. Then everything changed when I found the TARION Video Production Camera Cart. Don't just pick any production cart. Make sure it has 9-inch shock-absorbing flat-free wheels and a 440-pound load capacity so you never waste time on multiple trips and small wheel frustration again. This cart transforms set logistics completely. The 440-pound capacity handles monitors, cameras, lighting kits, and batteries all on one stable platform. No wobbling, no flex. The 3-tier design with a thick padded top shelf protects your expensive gear from scratches and vibrations. The 9-inch PU foam wheels roll smoothly over cables, thresholds, gravel, and uneven terrain without getting stuck or going flat. The tool-free quick-release folding mechanism collapses the cart flat to just 40 by 24 by 14 inches in under 2 minutes. No tools, no struggle. The 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch mounting points plus 2 heavy-duty tube clamps let you customize rigging instantly. And a DIT told me he eliminated 5 trips per location day using this cart. Here's what surprised me. The vibration damping actually protected his external SSD arrays from dropouts. And the long-term durability? Rock solid.
After months of daily use across film sets, studio shoots, and outdoor locations, the TARION Video Production Camera Cart becomes the silent workhorse that just works every single time. Equipment stays secure, wheels glide effortlessly, and the padded shelf prevents scratches through countless setups. One professional gaffer said, "The 440-pound capacity is no joke. We regularly stack it with multiple heavy LED fixtures, stands, and batteries." The large foam wheels are a game changer for moving across gravel, grass, and over miles of cable on set without a hiccup. A film production influencer shared, "For run-and-gun documentary crews, the folding feature is its killer app. We can collapse it in under 60 seconds and throw it in the back of a sedan. On location, it transforms into a rock-solid DIT station." Some worry about the upfront investment compared to basic utility carts, but the reality is simple: eliminating 4 trips per setup, protecting thousands in equipment, and lasting years under heavy professional use justifies every dollar. Thousands of gaffers, DITs, and content creators are already experiencing the difference. 1-trip efficiency, 0 flat tires, and professional-grade stability. What would you do with the hours reclaimed from endless equipment trips? The TARION Video Production Camera Cart is a smart investment in efficiency, protection, and professional-grade mobility. Thousands of film crews, content creators, and live event professionals are already enjoying 1-trip loadouts and shock-absorbing wheel performance daily. Results may vary based on equipment load and terrain, but the 440-pound capacity and tool-free folding deliver measurable time savings and gear protection. Check the link in the description or pinned comment. Click through, experience production cart performance without the trips and wheel struggles, and take control of your workflow today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.